Hi, it's George again over at eimports4Less, here today filming a short video about a pretty special car that just came into us here today. What we've got is a pearl white. It's a 2020, it's a Volvo, it's an S60, it's an all-wheel drive T6 R design. So you can tell it's an R design by the fancy body kit and nice wheels on this one. Let's take a quick walk around. This car has only 10,000 miles on it, so nothing to talk about condition-wise. We'll just tell you a little bit more about the car. See the panoramic moonroof. Really pretty pearl white color. You're not going to be able to see that much out here in the bright sunlight, but a really good looking car. We'll take a look at the interior in a second. That's black leather. It's got the nice sport seats in there, the R design seats and sport steering wheel. Take a look down the driver's side. Again, nothing to talk about condition wise. 10,000 mile car, looks like a new one, smells like a new one. Only difference really is the price. So take a look down here at the driver's side, and then we'll take a look at the interior. So that's black leather in there, and Volvo does a great job with the seats. Of course, are the most comfortable seats you could probably get in a car. They got a million adjustments, but they do a great job here with the design. See the thigh support there. Now we can't see much in this bright sunlight, but it's got the silver piping on the seats, really nice accent. See the interior, the nav is active there. It does have Harman Kardon sound. You can see that speaker grill. On the inside, take a look here at the back seat. Same as the front, probably barely ever sat in. Panoramic moonroof takes up almost the whole roof. So again, pearl white car, black interior, 10,000 miles on it. You can see all of the options, features, everything on our website at eimports.com. If you're interested in owning this one, you want to get it before somebody beats you to it, give a call here to the dealership at 215-249-9100. Thanks for checking it out.